7 years that you'd had this kind of cold hand of the stasis on this nation. It had no other leader. I felt like it was almost coming out of some kind of Stockholm syndrome, where you'd be chained to the radiator in the basement, and everybody was just came out and dashed. I do think, I mean, if the period, sometimes one is tempted to indulge in a period of blue sky thinking, to say we've had these sanctions, these individualized sanctions in place for however long, and they've made no effect whatsoever. And in fact, what they've done, to some extent, critics will say, is provided some PF with a very convenient excuse for every time the economy is bad, they say, oh, it's sanctions, it's not us. Position, it is therefore imperative to unify, or at least broker, electoral pacts. It's also crucial that the elections are free and fair, and perceived as such by the electorate. Do what they did in Lancaster House, which is that you bring together a huge pot of money. You basically put all the things that you would, and it's not necessarily new money, but you bring the international community together, all the donors, all the bilateral aid, etc., and you hold this thing out and you coordinate it, and you say, if you do these certain things, if you meet these certain benchmarks, whatever, we will unlock this thing. And they look at this glittering pile of goodies and they think, my God, everybody gets excited about it, whatever, and you turn it around. At the same time, that's the carrot, you have a stick where you say, and if you don't, then we're going to ratchet things up, and you kind of just basically make it even starker in their alternatives.